We are actually the fourth generation, and so now my husband and I are writing the next chapter.
For Machado Family Farms, we rely on the basic principles of trying to keep as many living roots in the soil, and we also want to make sure that the biomass that we produce in a given area doesn't go away. So basically, we want to keep the cycle of nutrients,
Healthier ecosystem,
regenerating there on the farm. We have 780 bearing acres of walnuts, 136 bearing acres of almonds, 20 bearing acres of cherries. We've got 33 acres of baby olives, and they're going to get some baby brothers and sisters over here.
The gym was first to educate the community and the masses of healthy eating and nutrition, and then the farm came in second, and now we're incorporating it, tie it all together to educate our whole community and beyond of healthy living and how you can be your best self.
Local is better. It's just hard stop.
And everybody in the gym will hear me say, eat the seasons, shop local.